Hello and welcome to Jile, an enterprise agile planning and delivery platform, enabling organizations to adopt agile, scale and transform into innovative digital enterprises. Let us take an example of a piggy bank enterprise that has Kanban teams working for its Kanban development and support activities. Kanban is a lean tool that helps teams manage work by visualizing the workflow, minimize the amount of work in process, optimize the flow and be agile. Jile enables software development and delivery teams to manage their work using visual Kanban boards. With Jile, Kanban teams can visualize and manage the list of all key initiatives and capabilities of a product on a Kanban board. It will help teams visualize the flow through different configurable board statuses specific to their workflow. They can also define policy for each state that dictates the entry and exit criteria. Teams can configure work in process limits for each state to optimize the flow of items and manage any bottlenecks. The teams can also define the ready state for statuses. This will indicate that backlog is ready for planning after the grooming stage. The initiatives are further broken down into features that are planned using the feature Kanban board, and the features are further broken down into stories and planned into stories Kanban board. You can visualize and manage the flow of all the product features and stories on a Kanban board with similar configurable statuses, WIP limits and policy for governance. You can also track the progress using lead time, wait time, throughput and efficiency at every level. You can also view the stories that are completed in the done pile. Kanban support teams can define their work items in the form of generic support work items and track the progress of such work items on a board. They can define the workflow status representing the actual support workflow and can define a policy for each state that dictates the entry and exit criteria. They can also define work in process limits for each state to optimize the flow of items and manage any bottlenecks. You can track the progress of the work items through lead time, wait time, throughput and efficiency. You could see for yourself how Jile can help enterprises with adoption of Kanban by Kanban development and support teams and manage flow of work items and track its progress. Sign up for a free trial today to experience Jile on the cloud. All you need is a device with internet connectivity.